everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today's What's New is on 3 new Stamperia paper packs, and I'm going to flip through them so you can kind of see what's inside firsthand. So let's begin with the Stamperia Christmas Greetings, and then the other two we'll go over in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through this rather quickly, and then I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the Stamperia Vintage Library album I've been working on. I'll give you a look at what the cover looks like. I have spent the last 2.5 weeks with my 3 grandsons, so I just started on it, but I got the cover finished, and I think some of you might like it. So this is the Stamperia Christmas Greetings we just got in our store, and it is absolutely beautiful with all the colors and traditional Christmas. So let's take a peek. On the inside of the front cover, you will see all these wonderful holiday Christmassy greetings and sentiments there. And then we have this, beautiful colors. Wonderful background. Oh, look at that tree. That's beautiful. Love it. Wonderful background. Oh, these are just beautiful. There's that deer I fell in love with the Magic Forest. It reminds me of the Magic Forest one, just in a different color. I love those deers. Beautiful. Nice background. We've got our panels. This would make for a good paper pack for making Christmas cards. And for a mini album, of course. Beautiful reds. And here's some more panels. These could be used in holiday greeting cards as well that you can make. Beautiful colors that just blend all together. Happiness and good fortune be yours. Beautiful backgrounds. Here's a tag sheet. And also along the tag sheet, it looks like some trim that can be used. I'm not sure if you can see that. Gorgeous background. And then we come to the back where you have the cut-aparts. And you get a lot of really good cut-aparts in this one. All right, that was Christmas Greetings. Now at my store, there is a link underneath the video in the description area for these paper packs in case that you were looking to get one. All right, we have the Stamperia Romantic Collection All Around Christmas. This is gorgeous. I love these colors. We open up, and behind the front cover, they give us a beautiful patterned sheet here. There's no place like home at Christmas. Nice. Ooh, there's that wood grain. I just love those prints with the wood. Aw, how cute. Love it. More wood grain. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, this is wonderful. Nice background. Bricks. Christmas is a piece of home we carry in our hearts. Nice backgrounds. And here's some panel sheets. And on the back, the greatest gift is you. Love it. Nice muted down background sheet to tie in. And then we have the calendar, little tags, backgrounds, panel sheets. This one's a good one for making cards too. Or an album. Here is a page that we get some sentiments, some tags. And on the back, in case you're a stamper, you can always stamp something there too. And then we come to the last page, and that's our cut-apart page. And I think that you can see this pretty good. But they give you a lot of nice cut-aparts in this. And that was All Around Christmas. Okay, so we're coming to the Stamperia Romantic Collection Winter Valley. This one is my favorite out of the three. If I had to pick, it's hard to pick on any Stamperia paper. That's a fact. But this one caught my eye, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. We got the deers, we got the foxes, we got an owl. Let's open it up. On the inside cover, we have a patterned sheet. And then we come to this print. We have another pattern sheet over here. I absolutely adore this. We got the Christmas tree, the deer, the house. And I love this print. Here's another one. And on the back. And we have family up here. Let's turn. Another great background print. I love the owl in this. Gorgeous. These two just totally scream side to side on a mini album for sure. That's beautiful. And the back side. If you're not into making mini albums, this would be a wonderful one if you're making cards this year. And we have some cut-aparts. And on the back, and our 6x6 panels. And on the back. And then we have this is our sentiment sheet, which also has tags and different things you can work with. And if you're a stamper and don't like what you see here, you can always stamp your own. And then the final one is this cut-apart sheet, and I absolutely love it. They give you all the animals, the Christmas tree, everything that you would need if you are using the cut-aparts in an album for embellishing. I love it. So that is the Romantic Collection Winter Valley. All right, quick sneak peek. I'm going to show you what the cover of my vintage library album looks like. So this is what I came up with, and I'm not sure if you can see or not, but this is beveled out. It's dimensional, all of this. And I really like how the cover came out. And here's the spine, and here's the back. Now, I am still working on the inside. Like I said, I just got started on it. I had my grandkids for about 2.5 weeks, but our page one I will show you. I'm not going to open it up. I'll open it up when it's all done, but this is my page one. And what's holding this shut is this wonderful large folder, and it just looks great. So I hope you like the sneak peeks, and let me know in the comment area what you think about the new Stamperia paper packs. And I will see you on my next tutorial, the Vintage Library. Happy crafting, everybody, and see you again soon.